Hi Lena lovers, welcome back to another interesting hair tutorial video. In case you're new to my channel, my name is Apollonia and you're very much welcome to this channel. Okay guys, you already know how we roll on this channel, so right? If you've heard of widow speak before and you don't know what widow speak is, or you don't know how to give that widow speak effect on your wig, please stay glued to this particular video because that's what I'm about to share. So I want to quickly show you a full details of how you can achieve your widow's peak before you install it on your client's head. So guys, please do not forget to like, share, comment on this particular video because I love reading your comments, and stay glued to this channel. Thank you so much guys. So always make sure to put your T-pins at the middle, then come to the side and do the same thing just to secure it. Make sure the lace is on the forehead of the canvas head to avoid making mistakes when creating your widow's peak. Now your two fingers is what creates your widow's peak, so you put in your two fingers in the middle of the lace to formulate your widow's peak because it has a double effect. So when you put in your two fingers, make sure they are looking even before you use your T-comb to bring out where the widow's peak is going to formulate. So something you definitely want to do is to make sure they are equal. So whatever you take from the right, do same to the left. How to know if they are equal? You have to use your tail comb or your scissors to measure the length of right and left. Make sure they are even. First measurement should be from ear to ear. So many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. So now some hairs are very easy to remove while others are sent from the pit of hell. To pull out this part, because definitely it's not needed, always be careful when doing this. Lace dey tear oh, so it's good to always be cautious when removing hairs from the lace. Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger. So I need you to understand that whatever we do here, that's what we do here. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes. Are you seeing that here is now different from here? Because this part is more rounder than this other side. So let's keep plucking. So how do you know that it's even? Once again, use your scissors measurement from here to here, the tip to the end of the circle. That's how you know it is even. So if you're installing a side part, you have to open it up and pluck a little.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
So if you're not doing a side part and you want to do a middle or center part install, you have to remove the front of the widow's peak. You know that W effect you have already created, you have to remove a little from it. After that is done, you have to open up the center part line. Yeah, make sure the line is very visible. Then after that is being created, you start plucking. You pluck religiously, guys. Do not over pluck, just pluck moderately. Always make sure that the hair you are plucking is smooth enough so that when you pluck, you're seeing what you are plucking. I repeat again, make sure that what you're plucking is visible so that whatever thing you're plucking, you're seeing through. Like, you need to see what you're plucking so you don't end up over plucking and then start looking for a way to refill. So let me even say this, there's a reason why I decided to remove a little part from the W effect area, right? That circle I did. I removed that because in case I end up over plucking, I cannot use that to cover it up. It will not be noticeable that that area or that particular part I over plucked it. That's the main reason why you need to remove just a little section of that W effect area. Yeah, in case of over plucking, you just use it to cover it up and you're good to go, guys.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking.
You have to keep plucking until it looks faint, at least with your eyes. When you notice that this thing I'm doing, it's okay, you are going to know, right? So just keep doing it until you know that it is okay, then you stop. So to get your side and give it that 7 look effect, so where the widow's peak starts, place your fingers and measure down. It stops at your fingers tips. Yeah, where it stops, you have to pluck small, like a little, to give a mark for both sides. After that, you have to open it up and just pluck a little, not too much, because the hair is already ventilated. Just pluck out a little. So moving on to the last step, you have to tint your lace. If you are using a colored wig, you don't need to bleach your roots. All you need to do is to know the shade of the complexion of your client, so you know the perfect shade to apply at the root of your wig. And that's what I'm doing. You need to tint the lace and dry. If you are so much in a haste, you can use your blow dryer to dry up the lace. But for the fact that I am, prepping this for the client to use the next day, I have to dry for a proper and a very reliable result. Okay, thank you so much, Leila lovers, for staying put. Thank you for watching to this point. Please do not forget to like, share, comment below, because I love to read your comments, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.